To copy a game on Roblox. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can copy a game on Roblox. To copy a game on Roblox, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the browser, on the address bar, type roblox.com, then press enter to browse it. You will be taken to the official website of Roblox. Here make sure you are logged in to your account. Here search for the game you want to copy using the search bar at the top of the page. Also note that you can only copy the games that has been set to allow copying by their creators. If you don't see this option, it means the game is not available for copying. For that you will need to search on copy logged at the search bar. Once you type this keyword, press the enter button and you'll find all the search results below. Choose one of the game from here and click on it. Once you reach to this page, here you'll find three dots. Click on those three dots and there you'll find Edit in Studio. Click on this option. This will open the game in Roblox Studio. It will ask you to download and install Roblox Studio if you haven't done it. If you have already downloaded it, click on that Open in Roblox Studio on the top. Once you do so, now you will be taken to your Roblox Studio. Now wait for a while until the game opens in Roblox Studio. Once the game is opened in Roblox Studio, from there you can now edit the game as you like using Roblox Studio's tools. And after you have done the necessary changes, when you are ready to publish your game, go to that file menu at the top and from there select Publish to Roblox. Then follow the prompts to publish your game. So by following these steps, you should be able to copy a game on Roblox. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.